how to fix WhatsApp business message error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp business message error on Android phone. First just open settings and then scroll down until you find here storage and then click clean up. Now just clean some space here. You can just clean junk files if you want or cache and click delete and then go back and go to settings and now go to apps and then apps again and type here WhatsApp business and now just click force stop, this one, first one here, click on it and then go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now just restart your phone and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.